Some Chicago parents are suing, now trying to get their kids back in the classroom after 3 days of canceled classes.
Tia is back breaking down this story further. Tia?
We have a lot to break down. That is for sure the big question. What will it take for kids to return back to the classrooms? Attorney Bert Odelson joins us now to break it all down for us. Thank you so much for being with us today.
My pleasure. Thank you.
Let's get into it. Attorney, we know a group of parents is working with lawyers and seeking an emergency injunction to get teachers back into the classroom. How long does this take, and what could actually unfold here?
So it could take as quickly as a day if the judge agrees to hear the case on an emergency basis. And I would think they're going to go in for what's called a temporary restraining order. And I have their complaint, and that's exactly what they're asking for. So this could happen within a day.
Now, from a legal perspective, looking at Illinois law, CTU must meet some conditions if they want to hold a strike. What exactly are those conditions?
There has to be a violation of the collective bargaining agreement. They have to go through mediation, and after going through mediation, if that's not successful, then they have to file with the Illinois Labor Relations Board. So there are steps that would normally take 3 to 4 weeks before they can even think about a strike, because pursuant to the contract, they can't strike.
I want to go back to what you said about that emergency injunction, and you said the timeline for that would be a day. What would happen in that day?
So I don't know what the lawyers for the parents have done except for the lawsuit which they filed, which I've read. But they have to file a motion in the court to have the court hear it on an emergency basis. They'd have to show the court that there's a right in need of protection, which of course is the right to public education, that there's irreparable harm. And of course, there's irreparable harm because the students are not in class. There's no adequate remedy at law, which means money damages won't suffice for the loss of time in school. And they have to show that they have a likelihood of success on the merits, which, in my opinion, they do, because this is basically a wildcat strike.
Last question for you before we let you go. Legally, is there anything that CPS can do to force these teachers back into the classroom?
Well, what I would do, and I represent other school districts in suburban Cook County, is I would give a notice to the teachers that they're to show up. If they don't show up, then they've abandoned their job. If they've abandoned their job, then they're subject to dismissal. That's what I would do.
All right, Attorney Bert Odelson, thank you so much for your expertise here on First at 4. We appreciate you joining us.
Thanks.
All right, Anthony and Sally, I'll send it back to you.